I'm Kentoku SHIBA. I'm a main developer of Spider Storage Engine. In this session, I will introduce Spider Storage Engine. What is Spider? This is a structure sample of using Spider Storage Engine. Top is application, middle is Spider Storage Engine, and bottom is remote database. We call it data nodes. Spider is a sharding solution and proxying solution. Spider Storage is a plugin of MariaDB and MySQL. Spider tables can be used to federate from other servers, MariaDB, MySQL, OracleDB tables as if they stand on local server. And Spider can create database sharding by using table partitioning feature. And Spider is already bundled in MariaDB. You can use Spider for federation and for sharding. And also, Spider supports cross-shard join. If you use simple sharding solution, it's not Spider. A lot of sharding solutions have a limitation. Join operation requires that all joined tables are on same servers. But Spider support cross-shard join. So you can join all tables if tables are on different servers. And Spider support join pushdown. If all tables are on same data node, Spider executes join operation on data nodes directly. This benefit is simple join operations are 2 times faster on simple join pushdown test. And also, in this pushdown of join, when aggregate functions are included in the query, since the aggregate processing is also executed at the data node, the amount of data transfer is greatly reduced and it becomes super high speed. And you should better to use Spider when you have 2 or more services and the services need to use data of other servers. When you need scaling out for huge data or write traffics. And unless some big data solution, you can benefit indexing on shares. You need sharding using shard key you want. You need sharding and consistency. From this time, I will introduce spider use cases. First one is Siemens. They handle 200 billion records per quarter on 3 spider nodes and 4 data nodes. They use this cluster for data quality analytics. Second one is Tencent Games. Tencent is a huge Chinese company. They handle 1,000 terabyte data on 396 spider nodes and 2,800 data nodes. They use this cluster for produce online games. Third one is Tencent Cloud. Tencent Cloud is a cloud compute service provided by Tencent. It's like AWS. They already provide a distributed relational database as a service using Spider. From this time, I will introduce spider sharding architecture. Spider stores partition on different servers. Here is spider table and with partition structure. And this sharding design is done using the database native table partitioning. You can use all partition rules, key, range, hash, and so on. And you can federate multiple servers for the same partition to bring HA and load balancing per partition. And when writing multiple replicates or on multiple servers, Spider uses two-phase commit to preserve consistency. For using Spider, you are using 3 steps. First one is install Spider bundled with MariaDB MySQL. Second one is log in MariaDB, then install Spider as a plugin. Third one is create Spider table. When you need one by one spider table, one by one means one spider table aims one remote table. First, you write engine equals spider. Then you write connecting information into comment. And also, you can use create server statement. You can skip column definition. If you use this create table statement, Spider looks column definition from data node. And if you need to sharding Spider table, please write connecting information, table comment, and partition comment. And you can use create server statement for register connecting information. And you can write just server SRV1 for using this connecting information. And also, Spider has other features. Redundancy, fault tolerance, full text search feature, NoSQL feature, Oracle DB connecting, parallel searching, direct updating, direct aggregating, engine condition pushdown, and multi-range read. From this time, I will introduce multi-dimensional sharding technique with VP storage engine. This is an advanced technique of sharding. VP means vertical partitioning. VP merges multiple child tables into a single view. VP chooses efficiently child tables for each query. For example, here is VP table. These are some tables like InnoDB or MySQL and so on. These tables are partitioned. Table A1 is partitioned by column A. Table A2 is partitioned by column B. And these tables has same columns. This is important point. When application sends a query with where column A equal 1, VP choose table A1 for executing query. In the other hand, when application sends a query with where column B equal something, VP chooses table A2. So when you use sharded spider tables, which have different partition rules for VP child tables, VP chooses sharded spider tables efficiently. For example, spider table A1 is partitioned by column A. Spider table A2 is partitioned by column B. when application send query with where column A equals something. VP table choose table A1, then spider send query to data node. In the other hand, when application send query with where column B equals 1, VP choose table A2. Then spider send query to data node, DB4. From this time, I will introduce roadmap of spider. Here is already developed new features of spider this year. Merge Tencent patches. Tencent gave us some patches for improving spider. First one is fix CMake in Windows. It's for debugging on Windows. Second one is limit press scan. Third one is force index pushdown. Fourth one is fix bug at opening table. Fifth one is optimizing for limit XY. Sixth one is function connection pool. Last one is fix table name size of spider tables. Thank you to Will and Tencent DB members. And next one is MDEV 8954. This is fixed performance issue at using query with distinct. It's thanks to Jacob Matthew at MariaDB.com. You can use binary and source code from this URL. And spring and summer in this year, we will develop magic patching from Tencent and others, and reducing the number of threads for collecting static disk information from data node, and auto repair broken spider system table, and direct join on data node for partition table. And autumn, merge patches from Tencent and others. Auto XA recovery and commit rollback on startup phase of MariaDB. Direct join on data node for VP table. From this time, I will introduce where to get spider with VP. Spider is merged with MariaDB on regular basis since 10.0, but some changes need modification in the SQL layer and partitioning layer and VP is not bundled yet. So you get more features like parallel query, batched key access join on partition table, many push down like aggregate query and joins. Please send us email. We do provide binaries and packages on request. Thank you for taking your time. Do you have some questions? I think its quality is production ready, but we need to add some features for its stay still beta. Sorry? For all features, Spider does not support Percona server yet. And Spider supports MySQL 5.5, but not support the later version yet. Excuse me? Well, Spider supports horizontal partition too. Yes. Yes. Well, MariaDB already use MySQL with MariaDB with my Spider. Okay. Thank you very much.